Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to disable the NSFW filters on Reddit. For that, you need to hop into Reddit application. Make sure to sign in or log in on your Reddit account. Then you need to tap on the profile icon or the app icon on the upper right corner. So on this expanded menu on the bottom of the screen, you can see settings. Tap on it, and when you reach on the settings page, you can scroll down and under view options, here you can see so NSFW content. I am over 18, so I have simply disabled it. If you have toggled on the NSFW filters on Reddit, then you can simply toggle off by tapping on the button of NSFW content. So this is how you can easily disable the NSFW content or the filters on the Reddit app. So I hope you got the information. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you.